We are celebrating our 90th year, 9 decades of lighted young minds in Goa tour. To mark this milestone, we proudly present our award-winning science drama, The Glow Within, directed by Sri Gautam Gauri. This is not just a play, it is the story of Marie Curie's indomitable spirit brought alive by our students. After winning the state level and the zonal level science drama competition 2025, our children represented the entire West Zone at the National Science Drama Festival in Kolkata. We invite all of Goa to witness the Glow Within on Wednesday, 29 April 2026, 3:30 p.m. at Ravindra Bhavan, Margam. Entry is free. Joining us will be our chief guest Sri Mangesh Salilkar and GVM's RKRS School Bankara with their prize-winning play Urja.
Play is basically focuses on Marie Curie, the character, and it's like a journey from the Poland to France. So we are focusing on the male-dominated society, where how she how she suffered and how she come over with the new invention and discoveries. So we are focusing on Marie Curie. So it's a play based on science thing, and we are trying to portray visuals wherein science and the act goes together with different characters.
Now, I take this opportunity to invite the whole of Goa to come celebrate our 19 years. हे प्रोग्रामांतल्यान आमी आमचोच ड्रामा अवॉर्ड विनिंग ड्रामा द ग्लो विथीन तर उर्जा हो एक अवॉर्ड विनिंग प्ले जो GVMच्या भुरग्यांनी केल्लो आनी गोंयांत तांकां फर्स्ट प्रायज मेळिल्लें तोय प्ले ह्या दिसा सादर जातलो. सो मागता सगळ्या लोकां कडेन आनी मडगांवकारां कडेन एक स्टुडंट्स आमचे वेल विशर्सांनी हो येवचें रवींद्र भवनात 29 तारखेक बुधवाराक सांजे 3:30 वरांचेर आनी ह्या प्रोग्रामाचो लाभ घेवचो. देव बरें.